Yes, look at these kale. I know I picked these scales, I mean, maybe a week ago. And this thing ready again. So today is harvest time again. This is my fourth time harvesting from these kale. 4 times, you know. That's a cabbage them. Yes, 4 times, guys. It's very important to take care of them, you know what I'm saying? Once you take care of them, you ain't gotta worry, honestly. And the more you pick, is the more they push out for you. I'm just leaving those 2 leaves. Yeah. This is the best time for me in the garden, guys. The best time is harvest time. I love to plant. I enjoy planting. I enjoy softening the root. But this is the best time in the garden for me. Yeah. Okay, let me pick all the kale first. Then I'm gonna come and pick the others. Guys, you hearing the nature? You hearing the song of nature? You hearing the song of nature there? That's the song of nature. So you see, guys, you see how much I leave, right? I don't leave too much because it don't make sense. And it don't make sense because time as you wink, they back just like if you didn't pick anything. You know, I recommend everybody to really try to use up, if you have the space, try to use that space in your garden. I really recommend it. We're hitting times now where we got to able to be able to provide somehow or the other for ourselves. The world, we know, is changing. It's definitely changing. So we have to get back to agriculture, to planting, and provide for our family. Look, I ain't have to go to the store to forget these things. I get them right in my garden. And this garden, I did not spend more than $50 to produce a garden like this. So if you know the skills and the techniques, you don't need to go out there and spend a bunch of money to get your garden going. Because I'm telling you, people spend a lot of money to get their garden going. It ain't no joke. It costs money because, okay, you got to buy manure, you got to buy the plants. Some people don't want to take the time out and set the seed. Some people don't want to go through that, you know, which I understand. Some people didn't have the space to to set that up, to get it going. So you know, I understand that. But for the ones who have that space, I really think you guys need to start building box, go to the store, get some blocks, set them aside, and just put them the way you want them. And then you put them, and then you put dirt inside it. You cut your lawn, you use the grass and you put it inside there and allow it to go for the following year. The following year, that become manure for your garden. You know what I'm saying? So you ain't got to go out there and go too crazy and spend a bunch of money trying to buy manure and fertilizer and all these kind of things. I make my videos very simple and natural. You ain't have to have all them things to get good product. I don't use no kind of manure. All I use is fertilizer. My fertilizer is what I mix. So yes guys, I want you guys to really get serious and start getting in the garden. Make some time. Start teaching your kids them, because we're hitting a wall now where everything is changing, guys. We're hitting a wall where everything is changing, and because of that we got to be self-sufficient. We cannot be too dependable on other people. If you notice, a lot of things are getting short. You cannot wait until everything is short to now start to provide for yourself. A lot of things you could plant and freeze, put in your freezer. So if you plant them and in them in your freezer, you could always go and take them out your freezer. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we got to do, guys. Look, I have a whole bucket full with just kale and 5 cabbage. Full with 5 cabbage and kale. I ain't even picked no collard greens as yet, which most likely I don't even think I might do that today. Whole bucket of kale, one harvest. And I'm almost picking all the kales off, and you know how it goes. Few weeks, few days, they'll be ready again. Look at this one, it's full. Look at it. It's full from the bottom to the top. One of these trees could give you a meal. Yeah. One of them can give you a meal. I have potato plant, I have edos, I have carrots, I have broccoli, I have cauliflower. I mean, just name it. This is my herb bed right here. I gotta pick some of them too. Look how the mint them. This is chocolate mint. Look how beautiful they're looking. Let me go over here. Guys, this garden is just beginning. This is just the beginning. Oh, look at this. See all these. I think I'm gonna pick a couple of them too because watch. Kale again, guys. So I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna mix a lot of juice. I'm gonna boil some and I'm gonna mix a lot of juice. So I'm going to mix my own green machine. My green machine drink, I'm going to mix that. Because I'm going to use kale, I'm going to use some parsley, some celery, and I'm going to get it going. After a hard day work, guys, you can naturally walk in your garden and say, let me pick dinner for this evening. I mean, this is really exciting. So that's all I'm telling you guys. Get in your garden. Encourage your children to go in the garden and start planting. I mean, watch here. There's a lot of videos you guys can watch and learn. And it's for free. Free videos. Information is getting expensive. I'm telling you. But we, as the farmers, the planters, giving you this information for free. So I think you need to utilize this information. So yes, guys, our 5-gallon bucket. If you notice, every time I harvest, I have a 5-gallon bucket full to go home with. Okay, so now this is how the garden looking. Everything looking nice. Okay, so some of these I mean, look at this. You see the size of this? Watch. You see the size? Yeah. These I'm gonna eat them, and I'm gonna put some in some green machine juice. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but yes, it sells in the store, but I make my own. I mean, guys, watch. You see? That's what I'm telling you all. I already made back my money that I spent in this garden. This ain't no joke. All the harvesting I did, I already made back my money. Yes, guys. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another harvest time in Plant a Garden TV. Thank you guys very much.